Welcome to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok's privacy setting. So let's say you don't have the privacy setting available. One thing, your TikTok might not be working properly, so make sure to update your TikTok. And even after updating your TikTok, if it's still not fixed, then what you need to do is delete your TikTok and reinstall it again. Sometime doing that as well, it fixes the problem, but it's still not fixed, then what you can do is follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, click on profile at the bottom right corner and come to your TikTok profile and click on the three line at the top right corner and choose settings and privacy. Over here you go on privacy. So let's say you come over here, you turn on your private account setting, and like you close your TikTok, you open it again, and again your TikTok account is unprivate. You change your settings, but every single time you log out or like you go out from your TikTok app and come in again, basically all the setting is reverted back to your old one. In that case, it could be your slow internet. If my internet is slow and I changed all this thing over here and closed my TikTok and reopened it again, then basically nothing is going to be saved because I was never connected to the TikTok server. So make sure to check your internet, and if your internet is and you have re-downloaded your TikTok or you have updated your TikTok, then it should be fixed. In any case, if it's not fixed, just like switch off your phone, turn it on again, it should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is just go back over here, scroll all the way down, choose report a problem, and over here what you want to do is scroll all the way down again, click on submit a report, and over here you want to write this: hey, my TikTok privacy setting is not working properly. Whenever I do this, it happens this. You need to write your problem and explain it a bit. After you explain the type of problem you're facing with the TikTok's privacy setting, click on submit. Once you click on submit, the problem will be submitted to TikTok staff. They'll view it and they'll help you fix a problem from their end. All right, because sometimes it's a fault of TikTok, so you can't do anything. You just have to submit a report and wait until they fix it. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your TikTok's privacy setting. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.